Good evening, students. Come to the parametric form differentiation. Now here, if y is ft, x is gt, then dy by dx is derivative of f with respect to t, f dash t upon g dash t. For example, if y equals to sine t, x equals to cos t, you have to find dy by dx. Now dy by dx is dy by dt. This is derivative of sine t is cos t. Dx by dt is minus sine t. So cos t upon minus sine t is minus cos t. In the same way, if y equals to cos 2t, x equals to cos t, you have to find dy by dx. Now dy by dx is 2 cos 2t derivative is minus 4 sine 4t upon derivative of cos t is minus sine t. Minus minus cancel, you left with 8 cos t cos 2t. The reason being 4 sine 4t is 2 sine 2t cos 2t. Now this will be 2 sine 2t cos 2t. You cancel one sine, so you have 8 sine 2t sine cos 2t. Then again you will cancel sine. I think one more 2 will come, so it's 16 cos t cos 2t. So just make a correction, it's 16 there. Again I am repeating, sine 4t is 2 sine 2t cos 2t. Now now this will become sine 2t is again 2 sine t cos 2t. Yeah, it will be 16 cos t cos 2t. Now I am coming to next question, please. If y equals to a sine t, x equals to a cos t plus log of tan of t by 2, find dy by dx. Now dy by dt is a cos t, dx by dt is a times minus sine t plus derivative of log tan by 2 is what? 1 upon tan t by 2 into derivative of tan t by 2 is sec square t by 2 into 1 by 2. Now dy by dt will remain as a cos t, dx by dt will be a times minus sine t. Now half tan t by 2 sec square t by 2. This 1 upon tan t by 2 becomes cot t by 2. Now when you cot t by 2, it's 1 upon 2 sine t by 2 cos t by 2, that is sine t. So this is dy by dx equals to a cos t sine t upon a cos square t, which is tan of t. Now class, suppose it had been asked to find dy by dx at t equals to pi by 4. Now you just straight away substitute t equals to pi by 4 in tan t, and you will get dy by dx equals to 1 at t equals to pi by 4. Class, just one example I am remembering. If y equals to say t cube and x equals to t square, find dy by dx. Dy by dx is 3t square by 2t. This is 3t by 2. So dy by dx is 3t by 2. That means that if you are differentiating t cube with respect to t square, your dy by dx will be 3t by 2. Sorry, it's not dy by dx, it's dy by dz. So if y equals to t cube, z equals to t square, you have to find dy by dz. Well, that will be 3t by 2. Rest of some difficult question, I will send you the snap for this. Thank you.